Hello everyone, today's video is about the installation tutorial of the new version of KT200 software. Firstly, open the KT200 software. Click OK and select Unzip. According to the prompt, new version 10.01 is available. Starting updating, select OK and click Download. After downloading, click OK, and then click Update Firmware. According to the prompt, now we unplug the USB cable on the master and plug it back in again. Select OK. Select Yes in the license agreement, click Next, and select Finish after the loading is complete. Now we reopen the KT200 software, and the software version is updated to the latest version. Some users may find that Select Driver is gray and cannot be clicked after updating the software. Please try to close and reopen the KT200 software, and click Reset Select Driver. Unplug the KT200 master USB port and reconnect. We're going to fix Select Driver not being able to select. For more information on KT200 ECU Programmer, please visit www.ChipTuningKit.com. You can also join our Facebook group through the link in the comment section to communicate with us more. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe and I like. Welcome to express your opinion in the comment area.